So here are hours later. This keeps falling apart. It will not stay together. So I'm kind of done with that. I will repurpose it somehow and refinish it. Got the camper together, and Dallas is going after a pie that he won't stop playing with, which is getting trapped under that. I swear if you mess this up. I'm sure this kitchen is complete as everything was, and the parents were so good about saving all the boxes. Pieces were in bags, things were taped together, it was well kept. I'm sure there was a refrigerator and a sink somewhere to go with that. So it seems like a complete household except for a few items. So I'm thinking there was a refrigerator and sink. Dining room table, 4 chairs. The only thing that's missing are the cushions. I can make cushions. Gonna change it all anyway. The pool is missing, but all the other accessories are there. There is the beach party kit, and it's all there. There's a broken piece on the sail, which I can fix. There is the Jeep, all put together, ready to go. The living room furniture. I like the reversible sides of the upholstery. It's kind of neat. The desk that didn't work. We tried to put batteries in. It doesn't work. And the bed with the headboard that I didn't know came with that bed. It's pretty cool. And the bureau, the armoire and bureau. And then this set over here seems to be a different set of furniture that interlocks. You can change it up all different ways, actually. Link them all together. I unlinked them all to clean them. I've been cleaning and cleaning. This was the worst. This needed the most cleaning. So I did the tub and shower and found all these cool accessories that were in the drawer of the sink. So a lot of cool stuff for Barbie. I love the bathroom carpet. Washer and dryer at one time did work. They were electric. I think that's awesome. Maybe even looking at fixing those because I think that's so cool. Got all the clothes, the homemade clothes here. I love the homemade clothes. Accessories in there. Clean the Corvette inside and out, every little nook and cranny. The stickers are coming off. I'm either going to re-glue them or possibly just hand paint everywhere where the stickers were. And that's about it. I have still to do all of their hair. Everybody needs a remake on their hair. So I've got a long road ahead of me here of cleaning still, and I know I can't finish it all today, not even close. So I will just do a couple Barbies a day. Their legs and everything need to be cleaned too, so I really have to clean them. So I will just take them one at a time. But at least I got the furniture done, all the pieces put together and accounted for. And pretty much this is a complete house. These are parents that wanted their child to have every bit of Barbie fun that she possibly could. I gave her all the pieces and the things to play with, and it's really cool. I love seeing the way they took care of it, the way they packed it up, and really just kept, I mean, a lot of little pieces are there. You can tell the care that went into all the pieces for the dining room. And I had that set of accessories and I didn't know what it went to, so now I know. It's very cool. I was able to put all the doors and everything back on the oven and the cabinets above. So all of that's put back together. Yeah, there's just a few things I need to repair. And I'm going to change most of the furniture from pink anyway to make it look more real. But I love having the templates to work with. And I'll use these dolls to model homemade clothes. Actually, take off all their skimpy little clothes and put some real pretty stuff on them. And that's it. What a good Barbie haul this was. Very nice.